In this video, I'm going to do some problems related to integration using integration by parts, which relates the integral of a product of a function to the integral of the derivatives and antiderivatives. This means integration of u dv is equals to uv minus integration of v du. Here one part of the question is called u and the other part is called dv, and to understand it better, let's integrate x times e to the negative x dx. Here one part of the question is called u, so I'm going to suppose my x as u and the other part as dv. By formula, I have to find the derivative of u and antiderivative of dv. So u is equals to x, so derivative of u is du and x is dx. Now on the other side, I have supposed dv as e to the negative x dx. Now the integral of dv is b and e to the negative x would be negative e to the negative x. Now, plugging these values into my formula on the right side, we get u times v, so u is x times negative e to the negative x minus integral sign negative e to the negative x times dx, which is du. Now simplifying, we get negative x to the negative e to the negative x. The negative sign comes out, becomes positive, becomes e to the negative x dx. Integrating this e to the negative x would give me negative e to the negative x. Now rewriting this part, now this negative sign would come out and cancels, so this become negative and this will become negative e to the negative x plus c. This is the answer for the integration of x times e to the negative x dx. Okay, now doing one more example can better our understanding. Integrating let's say x times 5 raised to the x dx. I'm going to assume my u as x and my dv as 5 raised to the x dx. So u is x and dv is 5 to the x dx. Okay. Now the derivative of u is du, this becomes dx. The integration of dv would be 5 to the x over natural log of 5. Now plugging this into the formula, u times dv, uv minus v du. U is x, v is 5 to the x over natural log of 5 minus integration sign 5 to the x over natural log of 5 times dx. Sorry. Now to find the integration of 5 to the x, I'm going to bring out my natural log of 5 to the outside because it's a constant, leaving 5 to the x dx inside. This becomes x to the 5 to the x ln of 5 1 over natural log of 5. The integration of 5 to the x is 5 to the x over natural log of 5. Now cleaning this up, x 5 to the x over natural log of 5 minus 5 raised to the x over natural log of 5 square plus c. This is my answer for the integration of x times 5 to the x dx. Doing one last problem, we're going to do indefinite integral from 1 to 2 of natural log of x over x squared dx. I'm going to assume my u as ln of x and dv as 1 over x squared. So my u is natural log of x and my dv is 1 over x squared. So the derivative of u is du and ln x is 1 over x. The entire derivative of dv is v and the entire derivative would be 1 over x, because you can see that this is nothing but x to the negative 2. So when you take the entire derivative of this, you're gonna get negative 1 over x. So plugging into our formula, which is u dv is equals to u times v minus v integration v times du. So u is natural log of x times v, which is negative 1 over x, in limit of 1 to 2. Now this is 1 to 2. V is negative 1 over x times positive 1 over x, which is our dx. Du. So this will become negative ln of x times 1 over x with limits 1 to 2 minus, this minus comes out, becomes positive. This will be 1 over x squared. These two get multiplied. Now I'm going to leave my first part as it is till the end so that I can merge it together at the end. So I'm going to leave this as 1 to 2. I'm going to integrate this part. So 1 over x squared is nothing but negative 1 over x, because 1 over x squared is x to the negative 2. Okay, so integrating that thing, I'm putting up my limits, and I can merge this together as ln of x times x. This negative comes out, negative 1 over x from (1 to 2). Now plugging my upper limit into the function, I'm getting negative natural log of 2 times 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, putting my upper limit here in a bracket, minus my lower limit, which is negative log of 1 times 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1. Now you can see that this part becomes 0 because ln of 1 is 0. So I am left with negative natural log of 2 times 1 over 2 minus half. This 1 comes out, becomes positive 1, and my answer is negative 1/2 natural log of 2 plus half. This is my answer for integration of ln x over x squared, so I get negative 1/2 natural log of 2 plus half, right? Yep, this is the answer. Thank you for watching.